Hi, I want to show you how to set ChatGPT as the default iPhone search engine in Safari. So, start by opening App Store, tap on search bar and input ChatGPT. Now find this app and install it. Great, after that I want you to go in Settings, scroll down, choose Apps section and find Safari app in the list. Let's just tap it, and from here find Extensions section, find ChatGPT search and turn on to allow this extension. Also turn on to allow in private browsing and go back to save changes. Now let's try this out. So I'm gonna open Safari, tap on this search bar and just enter anything. Now by tapping this button Go, we'll see that instead of Google search, we got ChatGPT now. So you can ask ChatGPT anything you want to, and now instead of Google, you will see ChatGPT. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.